How to get rid of roaches in apartment. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with a roach problem in your apartment, you're not alone. These pests are one of the most common household nuisances, and once they invade your space, they can be incredibly difficult to eliminate. But don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the best and most effective ways to get rid of roaches for good without wasting money on ineffective solutions. We'll cover everything from why roaches invade your apartment, the best DIY methods, powerful store-bought solutions, and how to prevent them from coming back. Plus, I'll share proven expert tips that actually work, no gimmicks. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to take control of your home and make it roach-free. So, if you're ready to kick those roaches out for good, stick around, and let's get started. Welcome to The Guardian's Choice. This video will tell you how to kill roaches and keeping roaches out of your apartment. Things you should know. 1. Get rid of cockroaches quickly by setting up gel baits under your countertops and along the hinges of your cabinet doors. 2. Alternatively, sprinkle boric acid or diatomaceous earth into any cracks and crevices on your walls to kill roaches on the spot. 3. Contact your landlord if you continue to see roaches in your unit, and clean your apartment frequently and eliminate clutter to prevent them from returning. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. Method 1. Best ways to kill roaches. Number 1. Cockroach baits. According to pest control specialist 𝒄𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒏𝒆𝒍, the most effective way to get rid of roaches is to buy over-the-counter gel baits and place them under the lip of your countertop or along hinges of your cabinet doors. This method works over time, killing roaches directly when they eat the bait, and indirectly when they eat the poison feces of those that have already sampled the bait. If you think you might have an infestation, set up a bait station. It's a small plastic unit filled with insecticide, which works best when placed along your baseboards, walls, and under the sink. You can buy bait at most hardware stores, drugstores, and supermarkets. Common brand names include Avert, Combat, Blue Diamond, and Max Force. Number 2. Boric acid. For a DIY roach repellent, make your own bait using household ingredients. Mix equal parts sugar and boric acid, or borax, then sprinkle a thin layer of the powder around your cabinets and baseboards. When the roaches ingest the boric acid, it will kill them, so leave the mixture for 1 week before vacuuming it up and replacing it. Alternatively, combine equal parts cocoa powder and boric acid to lure the roaches. Do not apply boric acid in open areas, like shelves and counters where food is stored. While boric acid isn't highly toxic to humans, it's not ideal for apartments with pets or children. Number 3. Diatomaceous earth. Since cockroaches get dehydrated when they walk through pesticide dust, it's a great option for long-term treatment. Use a bulb duster to apply a thin layer of diatomaceous earth into any cracks and crevices. Then, sprinkle it underneath your sink, the corners of your cabinets, and along your baseboards. Remember that thin layers of dust are more effective than thick layers, which may cake or clump together. It can take up to 2 to 3 weeks for diatomaceous earth to be effective because the power has to be completely dry. Looking for other ways to get rid of roaches? Check out WikiHow's Roaches Are Ruining My Life. How do I get rid of them? Forum. Number 4. Sticky traps. To kill roaches on the spot, set up adhesive traps in the corners of your room, behind large appliances, and inside your cabinets. Roaches usually get stuck within 24 hours of setting traps, but check your traps daily to determine the scale of your roach issue and the most infested areas of your apartment. Discard your traps every 2 to 3 days by securing them in a plastic bag and placing them inside a trash can. Alternatively, make your own sticky trap by wrapping a small piece of cardboard in duct tape with the adhesive facing outward. Number 5. Insecticide spray. For a quick and easy solution, pest control specialist 𝒄𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒏𝒆𝒍 recommends using an over-the-counter spray to directly kill them. Just spray the product in 2-inch, 5 centimeters, wide bands where roaches might hide, such as the crevices near your kitchen sink and stove, beneath and inside cupboards, around your pipes and heating unit, along your baseboards, and inside the motor compartment of your refrigerator. Once the roaches crawl through the sprayed area, it will coat their bodies and kill them. If you don't have any insecticide spray, 𝒄𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒏𝒆 says to mist the roaches with rubbing alcohol when you see them. Number 6. Compressed air and a vacuum. Blow compressed air into any spots where you've seen roaches or any areas they might be hiding in. This will cause them to panic and crawl out into plain sight so you can vacuum them up. Just make sure to work quickly and dispose of the contents of your vacuum bag in a garbage container outside of your apartment. Number 7. Pest control specialist. Cockroaches are usually building-wide issues, so contact your landlord to see if they already have a working relationship with an exterminator in your area. Pest control specialists have access to bait that private citizens do not, like insect growth regulators, IGRs, and they can create a specialized program to eliminate roaches in your apartment. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Keeping roaches out of your apartment. Number 1. Talk to your property manager or building supervisor. Even if you eliminate roaches from your specific apartment, they will keep returning if the building is not treated. Roaches can inhabit the walls and spaces between units, or travel between units in a building through the drain pipes. Number 2. Eliminate all roach food sources. Roaches love the sugars found in food, soap, and plants, so store your food in airtight containers with lids that fit tightly. Replace bar soap with liquid soap dispensers, and spread a bit of petroleum jelly on your plant holders and pots to keep roaches away from the plants in your apartment. Do not leave pet food out overnight. Number 3. Clean your kitchen frequently. Crumbs, spills, and stains attract roaches, so wipe down your microwave, oven, and backsplash after cooking. Sweep your floor to get rid of any crumbs, and make sure you don't leave a pile of dirty dishes before heading to sleep. Be sure to clean up any roach droppings you find, since these can attract other roaches. Keep your garbage, compost, and recycling in tightly sealed containers, and take out your trash daily. Number 4. Pick up clutter in your apartment. According to pest control specialist Kevin Carrillo, roaches can easily hitch a ride on a shopping bag from the grocery store, or cardboard boxes. If you have any boxes or paper packaging sitting in your room, use them quickly or recycle them. Roaches also like to hide in stacks of papers, like magazines and newspapers, so avoid piling them inside your apartment. Number 5. Eliminate sources of moisture. Roaches are in constant search of water, so keep your bathroom and kitchen as dry as possible. Mop up spills promptly, and wipe down sinks and bathtubs immediately after use. If you have leaky pipes or worn grout, bring them to your landlord's attention. Do not leave your pet's water bowl out overnight. Number 6. Check for any cracks and holes. A roach can travel in and out of walls, doors, and windows through cracks that are only 0.06 inches, 0.15 centimeters. So, check your window screens, doors, and walls for holes or damage, and put weather stripping over any cracks in your doors. If you find cracks or holes, contact your landlord to see if they can seal them with caulk. Roaches usually travel along the edges of walls when foraging, so prioritize the perimeter of your apartment before inspecting interior walls. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Roaches are a common issue for many people who live in apartment buildings. Before you sign your lease, ask your landlord or broker about their pest control policies and what they will do to ensure your apartment is roach-free. 2. Cockroaches love appliances that are always connected because they're attracted to the warmth and heat. The nest could be in your appliances, so set up traps and disconnect the appliance, so the roaches get stuck when they're moving out. 3. Roaches often appear because of poor sanitation, clutter, and cracks in your walls. If you smell a musty odor in your unit, it might be a sign of an infestation. 4. For a natural insecticide, Put a few drops of rosemary essential oil around your room. Warnings. 1. Keep children and pets away from any insecticides you use in your apartment. They can be harmful or fatal if consumed. Choose the method that works best for you and your situation, and help to reduce roaches infestation. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks, and life hacks like this. If you have other tips, please share them with us in the comments. Hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.